humanity vanished overnight.
If technology collapsed, who would rebuild the world?
I have 3 hearts, 9 brains, and arms that think independently. And I don't even need Wi-Fi.
We solved engineering efficiency before skyscrapers existed. Perfect geometric efficiency. You still argue about building design. We lift 50 times our body weight. We organize millions without chaos. We see with sound. You invented radar. We perfected it.
If humans disappeared, which species would dominate?
Intelligence adapts, builds. Communication conquers.
Or perhaps, dominance was never the point. Adaptation is.
Comment below. The most convincing answer gets featured in episode 2.